I've heard so much about your focus on learning and about the many ways your teachers, your awesome teachers, support you and how you all support each other.
We should say thank you and recognize outstanding educators more often. That's why a man named Lowell Milken created a program over 37 years ago called the Milken Educator Awards. And before we leave here today, a teacher right here at Shawsville Middle School is going to receive this national award. The Milken Educator Award goes to Anna Drew.
Our teachers are the foundation of our society. They bring our children up, they help foster their learning, and it's important for us to celebrate teachers just as much as we celebrate other professionals.
When I was in 7th grade, it was my first year transitioning to public school from being homeschooled. My mom actually passed away, and middle school was a really trying and really traumatic time. I know a lot of the kids at this school in particular also have a lot of trauma in their backgrounds. And so just reminding myself of that, that's really where I meet them. Just trying to support them and let them know that they are seen and loved and cared for in this building is so important, and it makes the teaching part so much easier because they already know that they're valued. I won a National Educator Award. $25,000 is what I won.
That is fantastic. Congratulations. That's
Thanks,
great.
Dad.